Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Google Docs table for different purpose. Here you just go in insert and you just insert 2x1 table, and let's say you want to write something here and also you want to write something here, and then you would like this surrounding border to be disappeared. You don't want this border to be seen. What I'm saying is that once I do the job, you will be able to see what I actually would like to do. So let's say this is the text. You wanna exactly see this way. Okay, so anybody comes in your page, in your document page, and would like to see that this two is exactly in the middle of the document, and they have been done in almost like newspaper style. They are in two different columns. So what you do is that you select this and then you go here and you bring it in the middle, and again you select this, you go here like the previous one, and you have brought in the middle. And what I mean by that, it will look like this but without border. So what you do is that you now right click and you go the table properties. So now if you see the table border, it's in black and your background is white, right? That means if you somehow be able to make your border white, then the border disappears. It's very logical. You again click right, go to the table properties, and now this time you will choose white table border and you press OK and it's gone. You see? So this is very good for styling purpose. And now inside your document it is written in two columns, and that's great, right? So you can align this table in the center. Go in the table properties again, and then you can see the table alignment. If you keep it in the center, and then it's exactly in the center of your document. Now both of the text you can give some background color. Go in the table properties and you choose the cell background. Let's say we choose the cell background to be green, and now you can see this cell has a background. And also if we go here and we give the table properties the background to be this color, now you can see it's really nice to look at. If you want to design your documents in this way, it's a very helpful tool. Thank you very much.